Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the software we have used to auto-port your VR reel into your multiple Instagram accounts. So here's my software like you're using to manage multiple Instagram accounts. So first of all is account management. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Instagram account that you want. So you can choose the account like this and choose the account that you want and choose login. And the software will auto open browser and auto log into the account that you choose. Okay, so basically this is the way that I manage and using multiple Instagram accounts. So to auto-port your VR reels, so first of all you will need to prepare content. So I will go to content management to get a new content. So I will choose add article and select the category and select the platform. You can choose Instagram or Thread. Next, the bot side, I will select the video and I will choose article and I will enter the bot title and the content in here. Next, I will select the video that I want to outpost and I will press save to save my new content about VR reel. And next I will go to post function and in here you can choose any option. You can choose post Instagram, post reel or see the history of posting. So I will choose post reel and next I will select the account that I want to post. This. Next I will set up the basic configuration. So first is the break time. Next, I will set up the basic configuration. First is the breakable time between two actions. I will set up to 10 to 30 seconds. Next, I will select the content about my VR reel that I already add. And because I just choose one content, so I will need to do two options about allow duplicate content between two actions and account. Next, you can set up the number of posts each account will post, and you can choose an option about resize image tag, and you can enter the user you want to tag, and you can enter the position, or you can share to Facebook, or you can interact after posting. You can interact about like the article or comment to the article. And after everything set up, I press stop and let the software do the work. Okay, so basically I just show you the software we have to auto-port the video reel on Instagram with your multiple Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you can contact me my Telegram WhatsApp and don't forget to like subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software.